Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Google Sheet tutorial how to insert multiple rows. For example, I will create number, and if you select one row in here, it will be show for the insert one row above and below. But if you want to insert multiple, you can sort the rows like this, and then you can right click. It will be show for the insert 6 rows or insert 6 row above and below. So I will choose below, be create in the below, and then I will create again in here. You can right click, and then I will set above. We set for 7 row above. Okay, you can click again to create the multiple rows. Right click and then choose the insert. Okay, that's it for a basic Google Sheet tutorial, how to insert multiple rows. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.